Alright, so let's trade the Betfair pre-race horse markets. I make these videos here to illustrate one key point. If you want to be a successful trader, you have to learn the basics. You have to understand why you're making mistakes. You have to understand why the markets are moving against you. And you have to start with small stakes. Because if you cannot trade profitably with £2 stakes or £10 stakes, you will never be able to trade with £50 stakes or £100 stakes. So if you're a beginner, you have to start small and you have to understand how and why the market moves, all right? So I trade live, so I do hum and haw, and I do miss certain opportunities because trading live and recording and talking to you is difficult, okay? But I do my best to try and illustrate to you why the market moves and how it moves, okay? So we'll jump in now and do some trading. Okay, so we're at Wolverhampton. Let's see what we can do here. It's only 3 minutes to the off. There's not much activity in this market, really. Let's see what we can do here. The market does seem very flat and dull. There's nothing really happening. It does look like this favorite might break through. Yeah, it's about to break through here. See that? I was a little bit too slow. Just a fraction too slow there. I'm going to take that out again because it's probably going to come back up again, but we'll see. As you can see, there's a lot of money pouring in for the favorite. I will probably jump on the lay side here just for a couple of ticks. Because quite often when something crashes down like that very quickly, it does bounce back, but sometimes it doesn't, and it doesn't look like it is. So I'll just scratch this out for a small loss. That's totally fine, and I'll jump on the back side because it looks like this is going to keep going, because there's a lot of money pouring in now for this favorite. And I'm quite happy to sit here and wait now. And you can see here that there's money pouring in for it now. You can see those bars there, and the money is flowing in for the favorite. So I'm quite happy to sit there and wait. I'll probably just do 2 more exits here just to give myself a bit of leeway. Because you can see that the price is starting to bounce up and down a bit. So I'll see if it comes back down here again to touch these. Hopefully it does. There's no reason why it shouldn't. The second favorite is drifting. The third favorite here is coming in, but the money seems to have dried up. This event will start in 60 seconds. 60 seconds. But with 6 seconds on the clock, the horses are loading up. I should really try and exit this position here. I'll just jump in there with a quick exit and let this one get filled, hopefully. And there we go. I'll just green that up. So you can see there, started off with a mistake, misread the market, no big deal. And then I jumped in and got it right the second time. And again, I'm using £10 stakes, and yeah, quite successful. £1.20. Had I been using 50 or £100 stakes, that would have been very different. And this is the kind of thing you can do. Just read the market, go with your gut, look at the numbers, look at where the money's coming, follow the money, and the rest will come. Okay. So I'll now move on to the next race and just keep trading.